What up, guys? How you guys doing today? So, I have my Rubik's Cube. As you guys can tell, it's all together. So, I'm gonna mix it up and actually try to solve this on here. And I'm on my bed, so it might be a little wobbly. So, let me mix this up.
During long debates in the 80s and 90s,
Okay, so it's all mixed up, as you guys can tell. It's all mixed up. So, yeah. So let's do this. Sorry, somebody texted me on my phone. My other phone. I have two. So let's try to get this on camera, right? Okay, so let me explain. I'm gonna try to get the white first. So let me try to get the white. Get the white to go first. So I have that. So now I gotta do the next part. So yeah, alright. I got this whole layer done. Now actually the top. So yeah. And the top is easy for me, so yeah. I have all that, so now all I have to do is get these, this and this the same color, all the way around, like that. So now I have to get the others, so let's do that. So we're gonna start here, so, Alright, so I got blue so far. Yeah, let's do this. I'll do it up here for you guys. So everything is in order, and this one's fully done. But everything here is in order, so all I need to do is get, everything here the same. So let's do it. So let's go that way, right? So I got blue done, so now I'm almost done there. And voila! Everything is together. How cool is that? So yeah, that's all that, like that. So I told you I was going to show you how, guys, I did it on camera. So I love you, and I'll see you guys soon. Hopefully with an actual video soon. Peace. Alright guys, there's some other videos that I've done prior to this video. The part that you just seen me actually doing the Rubik's Cube. I have 3 other videos of me actually solving it. Not me actually doing it, but me showing you that I solved it. So I'm putting that in here before that. So I hope you guys liked it. So peace.
Follow me.